Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Blessing. This is the continuation of our last video, the sewing tutorial. Please, if you're interested, keep on watching and let's get started. So guys, I have transferred my pattern paper to my main fabric, and you can see that I added some allowance at this is the sewing allowance. Okay, I added sewing allowance at the down part also. This is the bustier part. I also add 0.5 inches allowance all round except the side, which I added 1.5 inches. While for the yoke, I use the fabric as the yoke also, and I also add half an inch all round. So the next step, I will just go ahead to use my hair stay to pad it to make it very firm. So guys, here I have done that. You can see I have padded my fabric and it's looking beautiful. So the next step is to join the pieces together. So I placed the side of the side of the bustier, I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say, to the center front. Then I go ahead to pin it down. After pinning, I will just take it to my sewing machine and run along this line with half an inch. So guys, I have attached the both sides with half an inch, and the next step is to notch the bustier part. Please guys, this part is very important and necessary, because without notching, your bust part here will not be firm, like it will not relax very well. Please, after joining the side and the center front, please do well to notch it down to the under bust. Okay, so guys, this is it. After that, I'll just take it to my table to iron. Okay, I will open it up and iron it. So this is it guys, I've opened it up and I ironed it and looking beautiful. So this is the front part. You can see it's coming out nice. Okay, so the next step is to bring out my yoke. I cut out two yoke, like the main fabric and the lining. Okay, I'm going to use the fabric as a lining as well for the yoke. So I will just take it to my machine and attach the yoke to the lining to the yoke. Then I will place it to the bustier and sew. So this is it guys, I have done that. You can see I have sewed it, and I've also lined the yoke with my fabric. This is the other part, I have sewed it as well, and you can see the yoke and the main fabric of the yoke. So the next step is to bring out the lining. So the same thing that I did to the lining, the way I sewed my main fabric is what I did to the lining. So the next step is to just place it, the center of the fabric and the center of the lining must correspond together. So I just go ahead to pin it down like this. After pinning, and I will just continue my pinning all through to the armhole. Okay, just watch me carefully and see what I am doing. And also I'm going to do the same thing to the other side as well, and carefully pin it, and I will just run a stitch after pinning, like I will run half an inch like so and run it like that. Okay, and also I'm going to run the side with half an inch as well. Okay, and this other side I'm still going to run with half an inch. So guys, this is it, I have run it, and this is me taking off my pin. So guys, please, if you have watched it up to this very moment and you have not hit on that subscribe button, please hit on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a video you get to see. So after taking off my pin, I'm going to notch it. First of all, I notch the center, which is the deep part there. I notched it so that it will relax very well. Okay, so I just go ahead to notch the curved part like so. The reason why I am notching this part, I want it to relax very well. Okay, so that after ironing it will come out very neat and nice. Okay, so after notching, I will also take it to my ironing table and press it with iron so that it will come out very well. Okay, so let me quickly do that and show you how it looks like. So guys, this is how it looks like after everything. You can see it's very nice and neat there. And I also joined the upper part to the down part. As you can see, I join it down like so, and you can see the side. The side is very beautiful. You can see how smooth it is. You can see this part here. Okay, so for this part here, I'm going to use my interlocking machine to close that part. Okay, so this is the down part. I also sew the side as well with 1/2 inch, and they look beautiful. So this is the back part, guys. I did the same thing to the back, and it's time for me to join the back and the front together. So I will place the front and the back, right side meeting right side, and take my shoulder, the back shoulder and the front shoulder together. Then I will use the back lining to cover up the front shoulder like so. Then I will use 1/2 inch to sew. So guys, after sewing, I will show you how it comes out. So guys, this is it. I have sewed it, and I also went ahead to attach my sleeve to it. Okay, so after that, I'm just going to close the part with 1 inches and close my sleeve as well. I just close it all way from the sleeve down to the gown, and also I will also add my zipper to it. Okay, after everything, I will come and show you how it looks like. So guys, this is how it is. Guys, if you have watched it up to this very moment and you have not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell, so whenever I upload a video you get so notified. Okay, please like this video, comment on this video, please guys. Okay, so this is it. I'll fix my zip, and this is how it looks like. Guys, it comes out very beautiful. We'll just go ahead to put it on and see the final look of this beautiful gown. And here is the final look of the gown. If this video is helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed, please hit on the subscribe button. Also turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a video, you get to see that video. Okay, so guys, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate. Bye. To see you in my next one.